Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we transform your creative ideas into stunning designs. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create professional mockups using Canva. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or entrepreneur, this tutorial will help you showcase your products beautifully. Let's dive in. First, let's open Canva and start a new design. You can choose any template size that fits your project. For this tutorial, I'll be using an Instagram post template, but feel free to choose whatever works best for your needs. Once your canvas is open, we'll begin by using Canva's Smart Mockups feature. This tool allows you to place your designs onto realistic product images, making it perfect for mockups. Using Mockups. To start, click on the Apps tab on the left sidebar and type Mockup in the search bar, then select Mockups. You'll see a variety of mockup options, from devices to apparel and more. Browse through and select the mockup that best fits your project. For this example, I'll choose a t-shirt mockup. Adding your design. Next, upload your design by clicking the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and uploading your image. Once uploaded, drag your image into the Smart Mockup placeholder. Canva will automatically fit your design onto the product. Customizing mockups. To customize your mockup, use the Adjust and Crop tools. These tools allow you to tweak the position, size, and appearance of your design within the mockup to ensure it looks perfect. You can also use filters to match your design's color scheme. Saving mockup. Once you're happy with your mockup, click on the Share button, choose your desired file format, and hit the Download button. You can now use it in presentations, portfolios, or marketing materials. And there you have it, a simple way to create professional mockups using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.